Today is Friday, September 13th, which means it's Friday the 13th. Ooh, and it's also time for the weekend. So we'll get on with the weekend forecast. We've got a couple of things to talk about. Of course, the big story over the last couple of days was the landfall of Category 2 Hurricane Francine. That low, the remnant low, is still spinning in the southeast. So throughout Alabama, Georgia, and into the Carolinas, we still have some areas of heavy rain today as that remnant low continues to spin. We also have some gusty winds and the threat, although small, but still the threat for a couple of severe thunderstorms and maybe some isolated tornadoes. Some scattered showers and some strong winds ahead of a cold front coming out of the Dakotas. And then we have sort of in between just a sandwich of sunshine throughout much of the Great Lakes and down into the southern plains. It's nice today throughout the Great Lakes region, feeling like summer. 87 in Grand Rapids today, 82 in Detroit and Cleveland, 81 in Chicago, 80s for you out there in Des Moines and Minneapolis, although clouds will be increasing. Little cloudy up through Cincinnati and Louisville as well. That'll keep your temperatures down a bit, and we have the edge of that moisture from the remnant low of Francine, bringing scattered showers and storms throughout Memphis, Nashville, and maybe as far north as St. Louis. Over the next several days, temperatures will remain warm in the Midwest. Will be at least 80 or above through the middle of next week in Detroit as well as Chicago. So getting some late summer warmth here. In the southeast with clouds and showers and some thunderstorms around, temperatures are cooler. We're looking at mostly upper 70s and low 80s. Of course, it's very humid, so it's not like it feels cool. Just sort of feels damp with that coolness. 70s and showers and storms in Atlanta and Memphis, as we talked about. Some scattered showers and storms down the Florida Peninsula. Drying out in New Orleans after nearly a foot of rain and some coastal flooding, and as well as a surge that certainly did produce some damage. And then we got 90s over there in Dallas with that sunshine. So in the southeast, it's actually another extended period of below normal temperatures for the next several days. Of course, in Florida, you never quite get in on that cool weather, so it's still going to be humid and near 90 in Fort Lauderdale. Quite a few showers and storms around this afternoon, maybe a passing storm lingering into this evening. Temperatures generally ranging from the upper 80s to around 90 for the next 7 days. All right, that's your Friday morning weather update. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.